Hello and welcome back, I'm Sean. I've checked out many cool Moondrop earbuds before, but today we have a really tiny one over here. So let's check it out. So starting with what I love about these earbuds is the sound quality to value ratio, and what you get with Moondrop is often very good sound quality tuning. The price that this earbuds comes in is fantastic value, so we'll talk a little bit about sound quality later. The second thing I love about these earbuds is definitely the size that it comes in, and although I like the typical size of the Space Travel or the ultrasonic that I have here, you can see how much bigger the ultrasonic is. Just something about this small and cheerful earbuds like the Block that is so nice to just bring around. And another thing that I like is the 3 color options that you get with these earbuds, and you get 3 to choose from, and you're not just stuck with what they've decided to paint it. And each of them have a unique styling and fits your own personality. So you can see that the pink one actually has a flower, this one has more of a nice radio effect, and this is more basic and plain. And I also like the fact that they squeeze in 6 hours of battery life and 15 additional hours with the tiny case here, which is really impressive. And the next thing I want to talk about is the comfort of these earbuds, and it's also really next level. It's one of the most comfy half-in-ear earbuds that I've used, and it's old school style flat design here, which is really cool. And finally, the thing that I like the most is the specs that you get with these earbuds, and it comes with a Bluetooth 5.4 chipset with AAC and SBC codec, and you get dual beamforming mics to enhance mic quality, but we'll talk a little bit about call quality later on, and a really big 13mm bass enhanced biocomposite driver, and also that BNK 5128 device to tune your earbuds with, and we'll talk a little bit about that as well. So stuff I dislike about these earbuds: first, there isn't any water resistant rating on these earbuds, and it's something I wish more Moondrop earbuds would have, especially I use it for gym use or runs outside with rain, so having water resistant rating is important. I also wish that these earbuds comes with a silicone case in the box, like how all Moondrop products comes with one, but perhaps with this price point we don't see one coming with the Block. So another thing I don't like about these earbuds is that it doesn't come supported with the Moondrop app, so you're stuck with what it comes as stock and there won't be any tuning for it. And I'm not a fan of the charging port that comes at the bottom of the case, because it means I have to lay my case down like that and risk scratching it just to charge the earbuds. So there isn't any multi-point capabilities on these earbuds as well, but this is very minor, especially at this price point, so I'm not faulting it at all, just pointing it out. But keep those in mind because these earbuds is so cheap, coming in at only $20 US or about 88 Malaysia ringgit. So definitely go grab one if you want to buy it for a friend or someone that you love. And if you find value on what you hear so far and like what you see, definitely subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you want to buy these earbuds, do check out my links below. Okay, so to the most important part, which is the sound quality, and keep in mind this is a really budget half-in-ear earbuds from Moondrop, and to be honest, I absolutely love the execution with these earbuds. And Moondrop uses this BNK 5128 Hz device, which is like a head unit where they can simulate how human ears actually sound like to tune these earbuds. And I must say, the way the earbuds produces the bass notes without silicone ear tips is really impressive. But with sub-bass notes, these earbuds don't really generate it that deep. So with Daft Punk's doing it right, you get that very flat sub-bass. But if you do enjoy general bass hums, especially nice mid-bass toms, then this earbuds does that really well. Just don't expect it to sound insanely deep like how in-ear earbuds would sound like, because it's still missing a good seal. But with that tuning on the bass note, the earbud still performs really well with the mids and highs, and I got some findings with these earbuds. Especially with Apple Music on the Hi-B R4, these earbuds sounds amazing. Great mids, great highs, everything just sounds satisfying, even from a small cheap earbuds like that. And this works really great with Apple Music on my iPhone as well. But when I move on to my own high-res FLAC file, it really depends highly on what you're listening to and your files, because I have some older songs that sounds really muffled for some reason, but modern songs sounds really crisp and high resolution. So perhaps I think it's the tuning of these earbuds that really brings out the best and worst according to the file itself, and that's my experience with these earbuds so far. So overall, I think these are great sounding earbuds with awesome Moondrop tuning. Well, of course, I think your source file also matters a lot. So this is a test to see if the Moondrop Block is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect with these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So you don't know how tiny this earbuds case is until you really hold it in person, and it definitely looks good if you can compare it to my Apple Watch. It's probably the size of the Apple Watch screen. And as I mentioned, you do get that Moondrop space travel and ultrasonic design, which is a serious looker and looks really good. So with these earbuds, you do get a famous Moondrop design with that open top as well as a transparent body and a base. And inside, you get to see how the earbuds actually sits inside with all the mechanism inside and how it charges. So with the different colors, you do get some different designs so you can pick what you like. There is also a small LED at the front here as well as a Type-C charging port at the bottom of the case. So to take the earbuds out, all you gotta do is just slide the earbuds out from the top. And on the earbud stem itself, you can see that it has this squared out design, very similar to all the different Moondrop earbuds that we've seen before. And at the top here, you also see some lines at the touch sensor surface so that you know where to put your fingers. And at the back here, this is where you get your earbuds, which is very reminiscent to all the oldest Sony earphones that comes with your Walkman, which plays straight into your ears and not through a small hole like half in-ear earbuds do. And I honestly think this is a massive benefit to these earbuds because it makes the audio quality very good. This earbuds is also very comfortable to wear, at least for me, but for those of you that usually can't wear in-ear earbuds because they are loose, then you're probably still gonna experience it here. You also get great volume from these earbuds, and a comfortable volume starts at around 20% volume, and moving up to 70% feels loud, and it starts to feel really loud at 90% volume, which is honestly still very impressive for a tiny earbuds like that. The earbuds is also rated with a 55 milliseconds latency, and it works great if you set it to gaming mode, so just tap 4 times on either side of the earbuds. Games like PUBG works really great with, and you don't really notice much latency in real time. And movies and videos work great as well. However, if you don't turn on gaming mode, the latency is actually quite bad. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So in my opinion, a fantastic offering from Moondrop, and you do get great Moondrop sound quality here, a decent battery life for something so small, and also great value. And for its price, it's great as a gift as well to your friends or family who might not have tried TWS earbuds before. And if you want to check out the space travel earbuds from Moondrop, which is also another great ANC earbuds, you definitely need to check out this video right over here. So I'll see you over there.